hello. Okay, this is very frustrating because I had done a whole video explaining the C-section, but for some reason I didn't press record, so that was a rookie mistake. But so I have like 15 minutes to do this, so let's get done with it. The C-section is made of 2 phrases, which means 4 bars plus 4 bars. So let's divide them, go through the notes real quick. Left hand was way up here in a high C. Now it goes to G. I'm checking if I'm recording. I am. G, D, and B. By all means, do it. It doesn't say arpeggiato, so if you can get it, do. G, B, D, crotchet. Then D, G, B. I said it the other way around, so it's just an inversion. B, D, G. Now, B 7th chord, B, D sharp, A, and B chord. B, D sharp, F sharp. Those are all crotchets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The next bar in this phrase is E, B, and G. Again, if you want to just stretch, do stretch. I don't want to, so I'll do the arpeggiato. And then D, B, D, and G, 1 count. B, D, and G, 1.5. Finger 4 to D, and next one will be a C. So this bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. The next one, third bar in this phrase is C, G, B, E, 3 times. All crotchets. And the last one, C, G, C, and you hold for 3 counts. Right? Left hand first phrase. See, the right hand has a lot of syncopated rhythms and offbeat rhythms, but you can handle them. So it came from a tied D, high D. So we were, let me see, I can see the hand. And that's how you end it. So we are here for 1.5 beats. Then we go to G, finger 4, F sharp, D, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, F sharp, and G. Okay, rhythmically it's 1, 2, hope that worked. 2, 3, 4. Now on the next bar, we will change to finger 5 on G, and we have pretty much the same rhythm. G, F sharp, E, D, D, E, D, and the next bar will have it. It's tied and then has a G. So let's hit that one again. And then go to G. That's the next on 3. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2. Okay. Now in this third bar of the first, this first phrase, we arrive at G, and now we have G, G, A, G, A, G. It's all the same notes. The rhythm is a little complicated if you're trying to decipher it by reading it, because it's semiquavers, dotted semiquavers, and demi-semiquavers, and so tied from before, boom, bum, 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 then another G. Okay, so I'll start from the bar before. E flat chord, inverted. So it's these 3 notes, but in this position, G, B flat, E flat. You hold it for 1 count. You repeat the E flat, and now you have F natural, B flat, D. Now I'm changing to 5 to help with the next note and do it legato. So you see during this, let me see if you can see it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm changing to 4 because I need my forearm here. B flat, C. D, B. Okay, 1, 2, 4 goes to 5, and again it's tied on to the next bar. this phrase is G, G, real fast. It's a demi-semiquaver. So G, 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 and B chord, B, D, F sharp. Change for 3, F sharp, because you have this chord now. B, D sharp, B, A. Change again, 1, 3, 5, A, F sharp, A. And now you have your finger 4 on the G, and that's the next note and the beginning of the next phrase. Actually, I'm already on the next one. Ugh. Oh, Katerina, I'm tired because I already recorded this all in my defense. So the right hand first phrase goes, we had G, 2. That's already when we start. Okay, like joining the hands here. So we come from the 4, we have left hand coming in, chord. Second phrase. Okay, now I'll do that with a metronome to keep myself in check. I'll be counting quavers. Maybe it's easy for you, maybe it's harder, I don't know. 1, 2. Left hand was wrong. Because it went too soon. So let me just do it right. I'll turn off the metronome now, or actually I'll put it at 40 crotchets so what you can hear the beat, the actual crotchet beat, which will help the left hand. Let's go. 3, 4. This is probably going to be faster. I don't know how much. If you need me to do it slower, please let me know. Now, left hand, the next 4 bars has G, D. I'm putting in 2 here because I have to hop here, so it's pretty different what you put in this D. There's no way I can reach that. So, G, D, B, D, D, B, D sharp, and the B chord again. We already did this before. Just the quavers we didn't. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, the rhythm is pretty easy. G, D, B, D, B, D sharp, B, D, F sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp. Now E, B, D, G, B, E, G. It's just more notes, but it's easy. Quavers, D, G, B, D, G, hold for 1.5, D, C. And adding on the C, you have C, G, B, E. Then you hold it for 2. You don't hold it, you repeat it. So boom, and 2, 3, 4. It's pretty much like when we did this before in the last phrase, but now just the 2 top notes. And it starts with quavers. And now the same ending as the first phrase. G, C, I, C, G, C, 3 counts. Okay? I know it was very, very fast, but I'll repeat. So, G, D, B, D, 2, D sharp, B, C, G, C, and then the next note will be an E flat down there. Okay, sorry about the mess I'm making about the notes. I just moved this down. I hope it's not too bad. Okay, now I had already started doing that. Is G, 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 D, a B chord, B, D sharp, F sharp. Change for 3, F, and now B, D sharp, B, and that's why I changed, because I used 4 is a bit awkward. A, 4, and change again, because you have A, F sharp, A. So there's a number of changes here. Change, and change. Now G. Now you change G, F, E, D, D, E, D, G. Now G, G, A, G, A, G. This part is very much like the other one, right? Actually, it's the same. G and then the same chord, which is the G, B flat, E flat. The only difference being here, they put arpeggiato sign. Now, E flat, F is the same. So I'm doing the same passage from 4 to 5 without playing it again, just finger gymnastics. E flat, C, and now different, this is B flat. Okay, because we're going to modulate. Now we're going to start having, we're going to have 2 flats and D signature. Need the pedal to change the page. Now, right hand this phrase, and I'll try to do it a little more rhythmically. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 1, 2. Okay. Now to join hands here. I'll do it really slowly first. The right hand was coming tight from before. And we arrived here, okay? So. And now I'll do the whole of this C part really, really slow. So you know that we came tight from the ending of B. I need to slow it down because that is not slow. So, okay. So starting from there again, but slow. End of B. Sorry. Same ending except B flat, and then it will be E flat. I kicked this down at some point, so I'm not sure what happened there. Do it once more, whole thing. My left hand was wrong because I don't know why I keep going on the second bar. I keep going a little earlier from when I'm here. Probably my left gets bored. It's only here, but it goes early. Has a mind of its own. Okay, now using the 4/40 crotchet beats. So we're counting crotchet beats. That's the end of B. I was almost going early. Change. Cool, right? And this will be a little faster. I ran out of time. I have to go. I hope that is enough. And then we'll be starting C section. Okay, have fun, enjoy.